Good day, my friends. How are you doing? Patty Dooley here with Tupperware. I apologize for being a little late on trying to get these videos out, but this video today is on our Say Yes offer for February. And we have, just like every month, we have a super amazing offer for those who are thinking about or, trying to decide if you want to say yes to doing a Tupperware business. Now, you might be thinking, why would I want to do a Tupperware business? Well, if you're a mom or you're retired, you're just looking for something new to do, Tupperware is a business that is backed by 70 years, this year, 70 years old, on top quality products that last many people many, many, many years. Tupperware has always been a quality company that puts out products that are meant to last, that's durable, that has a warranty and things that come with it, to make it an awesome opportunity for someone to do. This month we have our Micro Pro grill that is available to add to your kit. And right here is the Micro Pro grill. If you've never heard me talk about the Micro Pro grill, I've got videos on where I've cooked stuff in it and absolutely love this. Now, what can you do with the Micro Pro grill? Well, a lot. In this, it does exactly what it says. It's a Micro Pro and it grills. It grills in your microwave. Everybody's going, oh my God, you grill in the microwave? It's like, sure, I can grill chicken, I can grill fish, I can do grilled cheese sandwiches. I can do pizzas in here. I can do desserts in this thing. It is just endless on what you can do with the Micro Pro grill. Now, the Micro Pro grill has these pads in here. There's one in the top and one in the bottom. And the bottom is done with a silicone and the top is done with a silicone. So when you put this in the microwave, the pads heat up to over 400 degrees in just a matter of minutes in the microwave. So what does this mean? Why would I want to add this to my kit? Well, this allows you to do some amazing parties for your customers and people that you will talk to. One, you can take and do grilled chicken breast at a party. It's simply 6 minutes and they have grilled chicken that you can sit down and their family, their friends, or people who are there will get to try out and taste it. And I mean, it is moist and delicious. You can take and do a grilled, or I should say a baked, because you can bake in this thing in the microwave. You can do a cherry cobbler or an apple cobbler or something, along those lines. A cream cheese cake in here, dessert, a big giant cookie in here, and have this at a party, and everybody is going to love the versatility of it, how it works, and they're going to say, oh my God, bring that to my house. I want to show some friends how this Micro Pro grill works. Well, for you as a Tupperware consultant, when you sign up, you say yes to Tupperware, you can do that with $39 down. And that gets your kit and that gets you started. In your kit, you're going to get all the products that you need to start having a Tupperware business. You're going to get catalogs, sales brochures, let's see, you're going to get the Power Chef. You're going to get a modular mate. You're going to have the quick shake. You're going to have the Tupperware knife. You're going to have all of these amazing products that you can go and do parties with, along with the Micro Pro grill. So you will be set as far as a business starter kit goes. It is just simply amazing on what you can do with your Tupperware products. Now, to get the Micro Pro grill added to your kit, you're going to sign up, and then after you get signed up, you're going to be able to add the Micro Pro grill, and I'm going to get it up here where you can see it. You're going to be able to add this to your kit after you get signed up. So one way, I want to just show this real quickly. One way the lid is sits up on top will be able to bake, and then turn the lid and set it down, and you can grill. So, but you can add this to your kit for $45. And like I said, that's after you've already signed up. So you don't have to worry about doing it all at one time. To really get started is just really the $39 down plus the tax. Not only that, by February 23rd, 2018, this February, you do one standard party before or by the 23rd, you get to add 2 complete sets of the Vent and Serve to your kit. Now, I'm sorry, I do not have all of mine out here. Some of them are packed away for events and different things, but I do have a couple out here. Like this is the long shallow that you can add that will be in your kit. And then we have some deeps. Yeah, some of these are different colors, I know, but a lot of my stuff is packed up to go. And there's these right here, the squares are shallow and deep, and then an extra deep, and then you'll get some rounds. So that is what, a $250 value if 2 sets of Vent and Serve that you can add to your kit later for $50. So I mean, that is a tremendous saving on signing up with Tupperware. But all of this ends February 23rd. And like I said, I'm a little late on getting everything out and updating people on what's going on, and I apologize for that. But I really wanted to get on here and share that with you today. So if you have been thinking about a Tupperware business and you've been saying, you know, I really like to get out and enjoy time with people, you know, make some extra money, you know, get myself some Tupperware because we all do, and you know, just things like that. You've got this vibrant, beautiful personality that people just love to talk to you and you love to share with people, then contact me. I would love to have you on my team. We will work together to get you started in your Tupperware business and get you going. You may want to just be a Tupperware consultant and not worry about anything else. That's fine. That's well, you can do that. You might be someone who knows a lot of people and loves to do fundraisers. You can do that. You might be somebody who really, really likes to party, and you can get out and do that. I mean, you can work your way up in Tupperware to get trips, you can get cars, you can get bonuses. And man, you could go with me to Jubilee in August. So, I mean, you still got time. All you have to do is say yes today, and then we'll get you going. And before July, we'll get you qualified to go to Jubilee. And to be honest, I had someone sign up a month ago and has already completely qualified to go to Jubilee. So it didn't even take them 5 weeks to get their sales in and to get their a new recruit in and get qualified for Jubilee. So, you know, you might want to go. That's something you might consider. So if you really, really want to talk about Tupperware, you want to ask me questions about how you can get started in the business, I would love to talk to you. Down in the description will be a link to a form that I ask just some basic questions, and it gets me your name and phone number and time to call you, and then we will get together and talk. Or you can go to my Facebook page, TWPattyDooley on Facebook, and message me there. I would love to talk to you. So if you are wondering about a Tupperware business, please get with me today, because this is like an amazing offer from Tupperware, because you just never know where the party's going to take you. So if you're ready to party, I'm ready to party with you. So contact me today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.